Okay, hi everyone. So in our previous lesson, we have done the cutover, right? So in this lesson, we will just do the simple verification after the instance has been cut over. Okay, so in the previous lesson, I've shown you how long it takes to cut over. So actually you can see from the job ID here. So it actually takes about from 10:13 to 10:27, around 15 minutes, okay, to cut over the instance. And we can see from the instance at the North Virginia, the target destination is already up and running, right? Status check pass, everything is healthy, right? So if let's say you want to check whether it's verify the status, you can just do it inside the automation as well. So you just run the automation and verify instance status. Then you choose this one, script name, verify instance status, wave, choose wave 1, right? And then you submit, right? So actually you can verify the status by wave lah. I say your wave 2 have some issue, you can see it from here, right? So instead of going to the management console and see, you can just check it from here, right? Which is like you have already categorized into different wave, right? Okay, it's running now. Okay, while it's verifying the instance status, let us do a recap, okay, on what you have done for this, right? So the first thing, we have the scenario. So we're going to migrate the instance from the Oregon to North Virginia through the migration factory. Okay, lesson 2, we use the Bastion to log into migration factory, and then we change the account ID and the migration view, right? Remember? And then we do the replication template as always at the North Virginia site. Okay, the next one, we create the source user, we enter the credential for the Linux and Windows user, and then we import the server in the CSV format, okay, for the wave 1 and the wave 2 server, the source server, right? Okay, in lesson 4, we check the prerequisite of all the source server, whether the firewall, they have free space, they have a .NET Framework version, and all those parameters from the MGM. We check this, we trigger this using the migration factory, okay, and it's an automation job, okay. Then we install the agent, okay, and then while we're using the automation to install the agent to the 4 Linux server, okay, and then it will replicate using the replication server, this one auto launch one, and then to the AWS cloud. The next thing we will do is we use the migration factory to send the PostScript to update the DNS once the server is migrated, okay, to the server replicated to the AWS cloud. And then we also can use the migration factory to verify the status of the replication, right? Remember, it will keep on running until all the things is healthy, until the replication status is healthy for all the 4 servers, right? So this one is the lesson 6. We do the cutover. First, we validate the launch template first, okay. Then first thing we do is we mark as ready to cutover. Then we shut down the source server. Then we trigger the cutover instance, right? Then the last thing, we do the status verification, which we are going to check now. Okay, already done. Let's see, refresh. Okay, completed. Let's see the logs. Okay, you start, log on, getting the servers. See, the region is the US East one, so it's our destination, right? And verify instance status. Okay, getting instance ID. Okay. For instance, pass the status check. Okay. Also a status check complete. So job complete. So it had basically run through a basic check on the instance lah. So that's it. You have learned how to use the migration factory to automate the migration method, right? The migration progress actually can be automated lah. If you do this for like hundred or thousand of servers, quite a powerful apps lah, right? So that's it for the whole lesson. Hope you like it, and remember to support me by subscribe to my channel, right? And thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.